Hello, this is Keith from British Isles Productions, welcoming you to another random unboxing video. Okay, this time I am showing the Orbitkey Nest, which is basically a desk organizer. It has also a built-in wireless charger as part of this. It's been available for a few years, and I think it's available in a couple of colors. I've got the black one. But again, quite a useful gadget. There you go on the back. There's some ideas of how it can be used. It's something that you can take with you if you're on the go quite a bit and you have a lot of tech and gadgets and cables and things that you need day to day. Or it can just live on your desk and keep things tidy. So you've got 10-watt wireless charging pad on there. But yeah, let's get into it. So very nicely packaged. Gives it that real premium look and feel there, and there's some ideas straight away for some of the features that it has. Unbox it there. Like I said, I've got the black. There you go. Let's get organized. Yeah, let's do it. So it's got this like sort of faux, vegan leather type cover here on the front, and then the underside is this very nice textured finish here on that, and it's obviously quite solid all round. And then you get this you get a clip here. So first of all, from the outside, it's a few ideas. You've got like a pen loop here for starters, a stretchy pen loop there on that part, and there is your USB-C port where you can access the charger, the charging part, which is here. And as I said, this where it says Orbitkey is slightly dented, like a tray there that you could put coins or loose objects or whatever when you're not on the move. And then it works. It's got this nice elastic. Again, you could put a couple of things under there, but this clips off like so, and it's got two opening modes. So first of all, it's got a hinge where you can just open it like so and do that, but also what's very clever is you can just lift the top off as well like that. So so from the lid perspective, this is the bit where the power is. You got a little like mesh sort of card pocket type thing there. You've got a couple of slots here for like SD cards and maybe some business cards or whatever, and then you've got this here. So welcome to Orbitkey Nest. So it's just showing you about using the wireless charger, and obviously how to open all of this, and also of course placing dividers. So that's the lid. We'll put the lid down there for now, but inside, so yes, there's your USB-C cable. Oh, and by the way, look at this. This is very nicely sort of felt lined, so it's not going to damage any items that you have in there if they are moving around loose, but they shouldn't be because you've got all of these accessories as well. So you've got, as well as the cable itself, you've got some cable loops and stuff there, but you also have these dividers. Let's open this up and just show you. So you have these dividers that are Velcro on this side, and you can basically attach them and organize your bits and pieces however you like. So there's some ideas on here. You've got some AirPods and a pen and a portable SSD and all sorts of things, so you can basically fit that out however you want. Obviously the lid, as I said, that's very clever how that works there. And then as I said, you can use it as a tray as well, and I don't know, place things when you're at your desk or whatever, place things on it. Obviously you can charge your phone on that part, or indeed I guess your your AirPods if you've got them. So yeah, you can do all sorts of things with this. As I said, I haven't got it kitted out because I've just unboxed it, but yeah, it's something I'm going to use moving forward. So yeah, that's the Orbitkey Nest. Hope you found that interesting. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.